Okay, today we're going to learn to bind off. So the first thing we're going to do is knit 2 stitches onto our right needle. And when you get the second stitch on there, you're going to take that first stitch that you knit and you're going to lift it up. Oh, whoopsie, you're going to lift it up over the other stitch on there and take it off the needle. There we go, I got it now. And then you're going to knit another stitch onto your right needle. So you've got the 2 stitches again. Again, you get that bottom one and you lift it up over the top stitch and the tip of the needle. And you just continue to do this. 2 stitches on, lift the bottom one up and over. And you've got 2 stitches going on again. And you lift the bottom one up and over. Now all these stitches are knitted, so you knit each one and then you bind it off like this. But if you had purl stitches in the midst of these knitted stitches, you would usually bind off in patterns. So if you have a purl stitch, you would purl it and then lift up over. But when you have knit stitches, you're just going to knit each one, lift it up over. You don't want to get this too tight. So when you're knitting this way, don't let it pull tight. You want kind of a little bit loose stitches, so when you lift it up over, it doesn't bind up your work and shrink this end. I've got the last one here. Then we're going to pull this over. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is cut this yarn. So I pull up a little bit of a big loop there so I can make sure it's not going to fall out. Cut the yarn a little bit here. Then I feed the tip of this yarn right through that loop. Pull it snug, and it's ready to just be woven into your fabric.